Big Trouble with Simple Machines by Nathan Schreiber.
We only have 10 minutes, Fermi. Why do you drag us to your lab?
Want to introduce you to my new pal, the 6MAX DLX, a mech inspired by our latest adventure.
Whoa! Does it have all 6 simple machines?
It has extendable inclined planes for feet that double as levers. It's got rotating screws on the arm and transforms into a wheeled vehicle. These wedges can pierce steel and are attached to a pulley, just in case.
That's so cool that you made it with all 6 simple machines.
I was thinking about those simple machines. I don't think there's actually 6. A wedge is just 2 inclined planes stacked against each other. And a screw is just an inclined plane that rotates.
So wedges and screws are modified inclined planes?
Exactly. Now look at wheels and axles. The axle is just a fulcrum, and the wheel is just a lever that goes all the way around.
So are pulleys wheels, and therefore levers?
Pulleys are compound machines. There's a wheel and axle there, but what would happen if we cut the pulley's wheel in half? We'd see inclined planes, here in yellow, on the wheel's edges that keep the cable from slipping.
So why do we say there's 6 simple machines?
Wedges, screws, and pulleys have significant applications. They merit our attention as engineers.
And who's gonna read a book with 2 chapters?